The Smart Bird Feeder with Camera by ZUPIROL is designed to enhance backyard birdwatching with advanced technology and durable construction. This green feeder offers a 2K HD live view and AI-powered identification of over 11,000 bird species, making it an innovative tool for nature enthusiasts. Its solar panel ensures continuous power, while real-time app alerts keep you connected to every visit. This feeder features a 160-degree wide-angle lens for vivid day and night videos, with free cloud storage and SD card support for saving clips. It is weatherproof, chew-proof, and squirrel-resistant, built to withstand harsh conditions. The package includes a solar panel, mounting kit for pole, tree, or wall, and a user-friendly app with two-way audio to interact with birds or deter pests. A subscription is required for AI recognition beyond the 30-day trial. Ideal for bird lovers, educators, and anyone seeking a closer connection to nature, this feeder combines technology and durability to offer a seamless birdwatching experience. It's a thoughtful gift that encourages learning and sharing moments outdoors.